Hey guys, so we are on the completing the squares stuff here. So this is where we're going to group our x's together and our y's. And I'm going to go ahead and move that 100 over, and the way I'm going to do that is by subtraction. Okay, now I can't have anything in front of my square, so we got to take that out. So what I'm going to do is divide both of these by 9. Now please remember, because some of y'all accidentally forget to do that. So we get x squared, and that is, I believe, 20x. Now I'm going to leave a little space for later, so just trust me. Now you see these two, again, we have a y squared with something in front. We have to move that as well. So I'm going to divide both of these by 100. Okay, and I kind of ran out of room, so this will be negative 100. Okay, so I'm going to do plus 9 times something plus 100 times something. So you see how I have a 9 in parentheses? We need a 9 in parentheses. 100 in some parentheses, same thing here. It should mirror this. So now you're going to take this 20, divide it by 2, you get 10, and we're going to square it. And I get 100. So I'm going to add 100 here. Now you see how I had added 100 in the parentheses with the 9? I need to put that 100 over here as well. Okay. Now we're going to repeat the whole thing here with the 2. I've kind of run out of some room. So it'll be 2 divided by 2. It's always 2 is 1, and you always square it, which is 1. So plus 1. And so I'm going to put that 100 with the 1 here. So now what we're going to do is what I like to call fake factoring. So 9, I'm going to put the x here. The thing that we're squaring is going to go in there. So it'll be plus 10 all squared. Ooh, darn. Plus 100. And that is, we're going to fake factor again, so y, this is going to go there, plus 1 squared, okay, equals, and we're going to put all of this into the calculator, and we're going to get 900. So what we're going to do here is now divide by 900. I can't have a 9 in the front, so I'm going to divide by 9, and so I get x plus 10 squared over 100. I can't have 100, so we're going to divide by 100, so that gives me y plus 1 squared all over 9 equals 1. I don't know why I did not skip a line there, but here is my final answer. Okay, and then let's look at number 8. So 4x squared plus 1 squared minus 64x plus 8y plus 208 equals 0. Okay, we're going to do the exact same thing we just did up there. So we're going to factor out, not factor, I am so sorry. We're going to group our x's together. Plus 8y. And just like I did the other, I'm going to move 208 to the other side, which would entail subtraction. We're going to factor a 4 out. Okay. X squared, I think it's 16, but I'm not 100% sure. Divided by 4. It is 16. So minus, oh, I forgot my x there. X parentheses. Now you see here, the y squared, there is nothing in front, so I don't have to factor it. So life is great. So we're going to just do plus 8y, parentheses, equals negative 208 plus 4 times something plus something. Because there's nothing in front of there, so let's just leave a parentheses there. So take and make sure on this one, pull that negative 16 out. So negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8 squared is positive 64. Please remember when you square a negative, put those parentheses there. Okay. And now I'm going to do the 8 divided by 2 is 4 squared is 16. So we're going to add that there as well. Fake factor time. So x, you see it's a minus 8 this time. So minus 8 squared plus y, and this 4 is going to come down, and it's positive. Okay, I actually don't know that number. So negative 208 plus 4 times 64 plus 16, and I get 64. We have to divide this by 64, and make sure I would do it all under each. Okay, so now you divide by 4 here and here. So we get x minus 8 squared over 16 plus y plus 4 squared. Nothing to clean up here, so we're just going to copy that down here, equals 1. I hope this has helped with completing the squares. Oh, and I did make one mistake earlier. I want to reference back to number 4. I forgot to make that you see how it's a negative 10? It should have gone in as a plus 10. So I am so sorry about that. But easy fix. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.